Decision on Sudan Gurung case within 15 days. High Court issues order on Rabi Lamisane and GBI case. Ladies and gentlemen, the investigation into the case involving former Home Minister Sudan Gurung is set to reach a conclusion within the next 15 days. Only after the final verdict will the Council of Ministers engage in discussions regarding the appointment of a new Home Minister. In a significant legal development, the High Court has issued an order to conduct a hearing on the discussion to withdraw changes against Robi Lamisane and GBI. Meanwhile, despite obstructions from opposition parties in parliament, the finance minister addressed the House on behalf of the Prime Minister, and the government's policies and programs have been successfully passed by the House of Representatives. The government of Nepal has officially formed a committee to study and investigate the matters involving former Home Minister Sudan Guru. The committee has been mandated to submit a factual report within 15 days. Following the successful completion of this investigation, the cabinet will deliberate on whether to reinstate Gurung as the Home Minister or select a new candidate for the position. In another major policy move, the government is preparing to provide a monthly rental allowance of Rs 15,000 to genuine landless squatters until land ownership certificates are distributed. The government plans to identify verified landless individuals and distribute land in the near future. Since the since the management of land distribution is expected to take time, this monthly stipend is intended to cover housing costs in the interim. Parallelly, in the parliamentary session, Finance Minister Dr. Sonim Wagle faced intense opposition while responding to queries regarding the government's policies and programs on behalf of the Prime Minister. While some lawmakers walked out of the meetings, others stood in protest. Despite the disruption, Speaker DP Aryal urged the minister to proceed. Observers note that the speaker pushed through the proceedings as it was the final deadline for the passage of the policies and programs. Consequently, the government's policies and programs were passed by a majority in the National Assembly. Furthermore, government data reveals that since March 26, 2013, monitoring across 368 government offices has resulted in disciplinary action against 3,576 employees for unprofessional conduct. In a complex legal turn, the High Court Pokhara has ordered a hearing regarding the Attorney General's office decisions to withdraw case of organized crime and money laundering against Rashtriya Swatantra Party RSP chairman Rabi Lamichhane, Gorkha Media Network's chairman GB Rai and director Ram Bahadur Khanal. This follows a controversial move during the tenure of former Attorney General Savita Bhandari last December, which sought to amend and withdraw charges in the cooperative fraud case currently pending at the Kanski District Court. While District Judge Nitish Rai had previously stayed verdict, Director Ram Bahadur Khanal challenged that stay at the High Court. A bench comprising judges Dr. Ratna Bahadur Bakchand and Marina Shrestha overturned the district court's stay, labeling the delay as contrary to the principles of judicial efficiency. The High Court stated that while Supreme Court rulings will eventually be binding, the lower courts cannot keep cases in limbo identity. ident- indefinitely. The court has now directed the Kaski District Court to conduct a hearing involving the government attorney and relevant stakeholders to reach a decision on the withdrawal pattern. Thank you so much.